Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website through Crystalz. And I'm on the homepage. I really love the professional looking sliding images. Consider also optimizing them for conversion at the call to action buttons such as shop now or click here, browse more, so people can click and shop your collections. It will further improve your conversion rate and sales, and also optimize all of those elements for conversion at the button with call to action linked to your products and collections. The featured collections look really, really nice. They are linked to the relevant content, so that's perfect. The photo navigation also looks great. Remember to open social media links in new tab so you don't lose valuable traffic from your website. Your About Us page is perfect. You talk about yourself, you talk about your own story. It would be great to add a photo of yourself. It will have further help to build rapport and trust, which will help your conversion rate. The collection page is nicely organized. The images are the same height. Very, very nice display. The product page is also nicely organized. The add to cart buy it now buttons are above the fold. I love the images with your logo, with your brand. So this further helps to establish you as an established business, which is perfect. Your shop by intentions content is really good. Also remember to add more trust signals such as contact us page and shipping page so people know right away if you're shipping worldwide, and also how much is the delivery. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.